Hello everybody and welcome to the sixth exercise of this class. This time I want to talk to you about how to learn to be coherent with yourself, and how to do this we will talk about portfolios, albums and books. As Liane Moriarty said, maybe every life looked wonderful if all you saw was the photo album. And I love this quote because really, usually photo albums show us just the best part of life. But I don't pretend you to do something that will show a wonderful life, but just to put together some images that are coherent with each other, that have a same style, that can go well together. To do this, it's very simple. Just go to your archive and look in your archive. And we have plenty of time right now to do this kind of thing. So you can look at your archive if you have an archive from film, from digital, and look all the images you have, and try to find something that can be nice together. Before we did an exercise about a very micro project, a small project. Actually, this is the kind of project that can come out. In this case, it's a collection of images of Camogli. It is a beautiful city on the Liguria, in the Liguria region in Italy, and these are all landscape of the place. But it's not important if the subject is the same. You can also find images that are taken in different moments in different places, and it's something that can be perfect in an album. If you think about a family album, is something that is going on for years and different things. But an album or a portfolio or a book must have something that is coherent. It must tell a story. So go to your archive, look for images, and decide if you want to do something simple as a portfolio. This is probably the best way to start. Go with 12 images plus a cover, like this kind of portfolios I have here. In this case is a bigger size, but go for that. And you can go up to an album that I consider something as a collection of photographs, around 20-30 pictures, or you can go for a book. And that can be a good opportunity for you to start to think about a book with your best works inside. And you will see that what you will need is to find images that can be good together. And they are good together because they have a same style, the same idea you are telling to the people. So that will be the lesson that you have to learn, is to what is your style. To understand what is your style is look at your images and try to find the images that best express what you can communicate to the world that is different from what other people see. So that's the things. If you want to see some example, I have some portfolios on my website, and I did a lot of books lately, and usually putting together images also from different subjects. For example, I have Travel Notes. Is a book that is just photographs from my travels around the world. I did something coherent as the subject, as the Wisconsin ginseng. That was all together around a specific subject. But other things, as Rediscovering Italy, are images of Italy that I did during workshop with American people, and all these kind of things. It's very fun. I'm sure that in your archive you have a lot of images. So if you can identify the images that can be put together in a portfolio or album or a book, that will be really something great to know yourself better, to discover what is your style, to discover what makes your images different from the images you see around, and you will learn not only about yourself, but you will learn about the process of selection. That is the same process that a client can have when you present your images. And at the end, the good part that you will have an album or a portfolio or a book to show to the world with your works. So this is the exercise. As usual, please share the results with the group, and let's talk about it so the class can continue outside of this video. Thank you very much, and see you for the next exercise.